Rules for a sleepover with me. Hello. Welcome to my sleepover. You are staying here for 2 days and I will show you how to survive my sleepover. Day 1. 1. Never exit the house, it will know and will hunt you until you come back inside. 2. Mother will make snacks for you. If it looks like fish fingers or spaghetti, don't eat it. She got it from father. If it isn't those 2 snacks and you don't eat it, she will know and you're better on living yourself. 3. You can't go down the stairs more than 7 times, if you do go down the 8th time, the stairs will never end and you will be trapped. 4. This rule applies to every day. If you see father, run upstairs, he doesn't have legs or fingers. 5. You can eat snacks but never eat the meals. Unless you are a cannibal. Night 1. 6. At 8 p.m., get to my room, mother hates people roaming around at night and makes them a snack. 7. Go to bed at exactly 9:23 p.m. Any earlier or later results in you being better of unliving yourself. 8. You will wake up at 1:21 a.m. If there is a light outside the window, close your eyes. They don't like to be seen. 9. If there isn't a light, go downstairs. If there are less than 13 steps, run upstairs before it gets you. Then go back downstairs and count again. If there are 13 or more, go downstairs. 10. The stairs will disappear, you must hide from mother and especially father until 2:22 a.m. 11. At 2:22 a.m. run upstairs, before they block the stairs and you're trapped downstairs for 5 hours. 12. If you get upstairs and see me awake, ignore me, and get to sleep by 2:30 a.m. Day 2. 13. It is 7:20 a.m. Don't get out of my bedroom until I'm awake. 14. Once I am awake, go downstairs for breakfast. 15. Breakfast of day 2 is the only safe meal. You may eat it with no consequences. 16. The 7 times you can go downstairs stops and you can go down as many times as you want when the time is past 11:54 a.m. 17. You have until 12 p.m. to pack up and leave the house. If you stay past 12:01 p.m., you have decided to stay again. 18. Don't look back. Ever. That's all. Hope you have a great time at my house.